Hi guys, so on today's video I am going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. So I have been seeing that these videos are going around where you copy a tutorial from a YouTuber. So I am going to copy Nikkie Tutorials, her eyebrow routine. And this is like an old video, it's like 2 years old, but I wanted to see. Let's get started. So let's see, her video's right here. And the first thing she does, I'm using this Morphe one. Brush them down.
At the top of my brow. Now what I'm going to do with this is trace that line, create a new line on top of the top of my eyebrow, and this will give the brow a nice structure. So with my brow wiz, I just start defining the top of my brow.
Hold on, brushing it down. Okay, so she said brush them down, right? And then she started lining them up. And I'm using this Morphe one because I don't have the Anastasia one. I used to have it, but I didn't buy it again. So this is the Morphe one. So she started lining them. Wait, let's watch it one more time. Let's watch what she's doing. I'm lost already.
Then once I get to the arch, I flick it out.
Okay.
Once I've defined the...
Let's see. So she brushes her hair. Let's see what she does next.
The top, I brush all my brow hairs back up. And now we can really clearly see the line underneath. And all we want to do now is do the same at the top. We just want to trace that line and just neaten it up a little bit. So again, with my brow wiz, I'm just following the brow.
Okay, I'll pause it again. Brush it up. Follow the brow. Okay, let's see. Next step.
Brow, and this is also in the color taupe. And I literally use the tiniest bit of this dip brow ever. I just take the dip brow.
Okay, so that I do have.
Tap it in a couple of times, and that's it. I do not scoop product out.
Okay. I'm really liking how my eyebrow looks right now. So I'm gonna use this one, the Anastasia one, and then I have this MAC brush.
The brush into the product. I literally tap it onto the surface of the brow a couple of times, and that is more than enough. So I'm tapping it in and then filling in between the lines. And the brush I'm using is Anastasia number 12.
Okay.
And again, the closer you get to the front of that brow, the softer you want to go. A little trick I...
Okay, let's fill it in now. Okay, so I filled it in.
I do is once I get to the front, I flick the product upwards. So on this part of the brow, I go sideways, but on the front of the brow, I go upwards. And just flick that color in and give yourself the definition at the front of your brow. And I like bringing it in a little bit further than you think you would, because once you do that, I now take my Amazonian clay tinted brow gel in taupe, and it has a really...
So that I have this one by Essence, and it's pretty similar. Let's check it out.
Tiny brush on my brow. Now for the remainder of my brow, I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and just coat the entire rest of my brow.
Okay, so just, and then I have this clear gel by Essence as well. So this, do the rest of the eyebrow. Let's follow her. tape.
And it's amazing. So I just pick up a little bit with a concealer brush and then just carve out the bottom of my brow. And
Use this brush right here. And then what?
the further I go to the sides, the less concealer I use. Now for years and years I stopped here. I thought the Brow Trio by BH Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like.
I'm gonna use this one.
This is the middle one, the center one right here. And for this is the Giorgio Armani
Blank spots. Oops.
Just fill it in. And then also what I love doing with this is just draw in a couple of hairs at the front of my brow, and I feel like that makes it so much more natural and
Front.
and this way people with no eyebrows or really sparse eyebrows can have full eyebrows too. And that, guys, is how I like to sculpt and fill in my that's a really simple product mentioned.
There you go, guys. So that's before, and I know I need to do my eyebrows. I need to get them done, get them shaped, because my eyebrows are horrible. And this is after. Not bad. I actually do like them. It's a lot of steps though, but if I want to have my eyebrow on point, I'll just follow those steps. So I guess I should do the other eyebrow, right? I'm gonna do the other eyebrow and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I did do the other eyebrow and I actually do like the way my eyebrows came out. I definitely did learn some tips on how to do my eyebrows, and I'll definitely give it a try to follow steps every time. Well, not every time, but when I do my makeup and I want my eyebrows to look good. But yeah, they look way better. But that's about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.